Today's an exciting day. We're getting the wide body wrapped, finally. Let's go. Look at this. Look at this difference. A nice tuxedo black with the metallic flake and finally getting this wide body wrapped. So super stoked. It's gonna be a good day. First things first, I gotta rip this wide body off. Let's start ripping this thing down. You guys are gonna see what it looks like without the body kit on it, and the side skirts will be taken off. And yeah, it's gonna be bare. It's gonna be embarrassing. Sad day for the Fiesta, but you know what they say: big comebacks for a massive setback. Yeah. She is all naked on one side, all the pieces off. It's gonna look crazy driving to the wrap shop, but I'm excited. It's gonna be a huge step in the right direction, and this thing's gonna look pretty crazy in the meantime. I'll probably throw the other side in a quick time lapse for you guys. I'll clean it up a little bit, and I'll show you guys what it looks like without all the stuff on it, and then we'll start making our way over to the wrap shop. We got about an hour drive there, so let's get this other side off and get it moving. Looking dummy thick. Oh my. That is nuts. Wow. Alright, here we go. Finally on the road. We got our wide body in the back, and we got our E85 right here next to us, because I think by the time we get to his place, I'll be ready to put in that new tank of E85, and I can actually get my E30 tune dialed in as well. So we're getting a ton of stuff done with this car today, all at once. But let's get on the road. We got an hour drive, so I'll see you guys when we get there. Alright guys, we're out here at Care Auto Spa. We made it. We got the wide body in here, completely disassembled, ready to go. And we got our boys here at Care Auto Spa. You guys introduce yourselves, tell them a little bit about what you do.
What's going on? I'm Evan from Care Auto. Alex from Care Auto. We specialize in auto detailing, truck lettering, and vinyl wraps, as you can see here. We're located in Bridgewater, New Jersey, and we're the one-stop shop in the area to get whatever your auto restyling needs are completed. So check us out, 691 East Main Street, Bridgewater, New Jersey. You can find us on Google, Instagram, Care Auto Spa. Basically, if you search Care Auto Spa, you'll find us. You're in the right spot.
All right, you heard him. Hit him up. This is their shop car. It's looking pretty sick. So we're gonna get right into this wide body. We're gonna start wrapping it. I'm gonna show you guys a little sample of what they can do. Let's get started. piece mocked up. Let's see how it's gonna look.
Yeah, I mean, look.
Yeah, that's gonna look nice.
Yeah, it's gonna look fine.
Yeah, metallic black. That's epic. All right, so that's it. You guys saw some of their work. Now I'm gonna leave these body panels in their hands, and I'm gonna come back when they're done. Thanks, guys.
Thanks, Seth.
I'll see you soon.
Later, bro.
All right, that's it. Drop the panels off. Now I'm gonna head home, and I'll update you guys in a few days. In the next clip, I'll be on my way back to pick up the body panels. We're gonna install them and see what they look like. So catch you guys then. We're back out here at Care Auto in a couple days. Buddy Evan just cranked this stuff out, and we're gonna start throwing these pieces on. We gotta drill a couple holes. I started drilling already on the front fenders, but we gotta drill the back quarter panels and some of the pieces on the front. But it should be pretty quick. So I'll show you guys what they look like, how they came out. Turned out insane. Super stoked to finally have this car one color. So let's get cranking on this thing. Alright guys, that's pretty much a wrap. You guys at Care Auto Spot absolutely killed it. Evan, thank you so much, dude. So that's it for this one, guys. Thanks for tuning in, and catch you in the next one.